welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Chanel coming to you with another video. And I know usually on these videos I'm all dolled up and all that, but I'm trying to rush in while my husband and my kids are gone so that I can film this video, because there's never a quiet moment in my house, as you can imagine, with the 1 and a 2-year-old and a 7-year-old. So I wanted to get my Stitch Fix video out of the way. So I came in and put on a little bit of powder, a little bit of blush, a little tiny bit of highlighter in my brows. This is what I would do when I'm trying to get put together and I don't have a whole lot of time. So just a little nice natural look, not too much fuss. Honestly, if I did a video on it, it would probably be 5 or 10 minutes. So it really, in my mind, isn't worth filming. But if you want to see this look, then comment down below and let me know. So yeah, there's that. And then my glasses, if you are interested in these are from Vogue Me. You guys know I have a ton of Vogue Me videos. I will link them so you can check them out. But I love their eyeglasses. They always give me such stylish options for super inexpensive. So I love these. This is one of my newer pairs. So you'll probably see it in a video coming soon. But anyway, I need to hurry up and film this box so I can get it back to Stitch Fix. Because the last couple of boxes, I just, you know, the first box I kept something, the second box I didn't keep anything, and I'm looking forward to the day that there's something in the box that I want to keep everything, like, because if you choose to keep everything in your box, you do get a 25% discount. So that's a really good thing. That's really cool. But I just haven't found that it's been that, I don't know, that much my style. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. But I will tell you this, a misinformation that I may or may not have given in my previous videos, that $20 that they take as a styling fee that you can use as a credit towards your purchase should you choose to keep something, does not carry over until the next month, which is what I thought. So if you choose to get nothing out of your box, that $20 that they take out of your account does not go towards a future box or anything like that. That $20 is gone and they take it as a styling fee. So just keep that in mind. So I don't know, maybe you'll want to make sure that you keep something out of the box, maybe the cheapest thing, and maybe resell it or something so that you don't lose your money. But that is a thing. If you don't use the $20 towards a purchase in the box that month, you lose it. So I wanted to clear that up because I didn't know that and I lost my $20 last month. So the great thing about that is the customer service is absolutely amazing. I reached out to them. They were more than willing to help me and we figured everything out. And so now I have an understanding of going forward that if there's nothing in the box that I like, I'll just get like the cheapest thing and maybe resell it or something. But even the guy was like, we don't want you to do that. We want you to love everything in your box. So I think that they're pretty willing to work with you if you get a box that you don't like anything in. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this month's box. I do have a little bit of gripe, and I don't know if this is their fault or not, but my box came just like this. And as you can see, it's like partially open because the tape didn't completely cover the box. So there's that, but I guess it's not that big of a deal, but I did want to point that out. It's not that secure. So, but I'm really anxious to get into this box. So let's go ahead and do it. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I haven't been to the nail shop. I wasn't playing with y'all when I said I'm not going nowhere. I meant that. So I haven't gotten pedicure. I haven't gotten my nails done. In the videos that I have been filming that I've had my nails done, I've had press-ons, which I actually enjoy. Honestly, being able to switch them up and the different styles and stuff like that. But they have been a little taxing on my nails as well. But I'll take the responsibility for that because I haven't been removing them properly. So that's on me. But I've been loving press-ons. But I just didn't have time to do it today before I filmed because I really want to get this video out to you guys so that if I need to return some stuff, I can do it with no problems. So anyway, here is the box, and I do want to say that they are extending usually it's a 3-day period. They're extending it because of COVID-19, so I'm grateful for that because it does take longer to get your box and all of that. So I have a little bit longer than the regular 3 days, but I still want to make sure that I'm getting everything done in a timely manner. So as usual, here is the box. Here is the return shipping bag. And then here are all your goodies that have your items, your invoicing, how the pricing and all that. It's style cards, all that are here. And then here is, here are all the clothes that I have. So let's get into it because I'm really excited. Oh, I see some leopard print. Y'all already know. Don't even play. I like to take it off. I like to take this off because I like to package it back the same way and send it back as neatly as possible. That's just me though. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this leopard print. I think that they've pretty much have me down as far as that is concerned, like prints and stuff I'm really into. And so I love that they listen to that and send me this leopard print shirt. This is actually really cute. Very nice quality. I'm all about details. So I love the details in this. I don't know if you can see it in the back, but there's some pleating on the back. It does make it a little difficult to see because of the print on it, but it's a beautiful detailing and pleating that goes down the back of the shirt. And then here's the front of the shirt that has a little bit of an open neckline there and a little bit of a pleat down the front. I really like this shirt a lot. This is in a size 2X. This is the brand Hawthorne, and they have sent something from Hawthorne to me before. So, but I love the quality of this. I love the style of the shirt. I'm hoping it fits well because I will probably keep this for sure. I don't have anything like it in my collection, and I just really like it. I like the material. I like the style. Of course, I like the print. So that may be a keeper. Ooh, okay. Next, I have a jacket, which is a little odd, only because it's summertime, and I would imagine this is probably too heavy for summer. It is for Oklahoma summer anyway. We've been having 95, 94 days here lately, and so I would not wear this during the summer. But it's cute. It's like a faux denim because it's really, really stretchy. The brand is Liverpool, Los Angeles. It's in a size 2X. It's really, really stretchy. I love the style of it. It's kind of like a moto type jacket. It looks like denim, but it doesn't feel like denim. It's extremely stretchy, you guys. So I feel like this is going to give a really nice fit just because of that. And I like the style of it. I just don't know how practical it is for this time of the year. And of course, depending on the pricing, will make a huge difference too. But this is something that I would definitely keep. It's my style. I like it. I like the edge of it, and you could definitely pair it with that leopard print shirt for sure. So I enjoy that. Next shirt we have, okay, this is for Paper Moon, and this is what it looks like. Another really nice material, kind of like a dressier style shirt. With both of these shirts, I could either dress these up or down. I could definitely wear these to work with a blazer and they would go really well. I like the details on this shirt as well. It gives you kind of a tulip sleeve there, which I'm all the way here for. I love that. And it's kind of a combination of like leopard print and floral at the same time, which I like that as well. So I really do like this shirt too. Again, depending on the pricing, we'll see what we're looking at, but I like that a lot. Looks like I have another print. Okay, so this one is a snake print, which I love. It's kind of like a tank top material. It's very stretchy, very slinky. I like that because that means it's gonna fit I imagine that it's gonna fit pretty well. This is the front, so you got a cross detail in the front. This goes across your chest like this. Of course, I'll be trying all this on for you guys to see. I like this. I like this. It depends on the pricing, but I do like this. I think this is really, really cute. Really, really cute. And I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe either. So far, so good. They've done really well. I love all the shirts. I would wear all the shirts. I would wear the jacket. And it looks like last but not least, I have a pair of jeans. And these are by the brand 1822 Denim. These are in a size 18. And they are the Sculpt Denim Super Stretch All Day Comfort Maximum Recovery. And this is what they look like. I like the wash. They're a skinny jean. These are really stretchy. They look very, very well made. I like the They have a little detailing on the back here that says 1822. I like that. It looks like expensive kind of to me. And I like these jeans because they are work appropriate. They don't have any distressing on them, so I could definitely wear these to work during these quarantine times where we're able to dress down because our lobby is closed. So I like that. So the great thing too is that I can try all of this on together because all the shirts will go with these jeans. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the try on portion. I'm really excited. This may be the first box that I actually keep everything depending on pricing. So let's go ahead and get into the try on portion. I really like this shirt a lot. The details definitely are not picking up on camera, and again, because it's a print, it's gonna be hard to pick up on camera, but it is very, very nice. The color is like a mauve tan color. And then of course the print is leopard print. It fits like a dream. Let me pull it down so you guys can see. Fits like a dream. Here it is. And then here is the back. I hope you can see the detailing on the back with it on me. The pleating. I don't know if you can see it, but I do adore this shirt. I think it is a very nicely well-made shirt. Very nice, well-made shirt. Nicely well-made. What? The fit is good. I mean, I guess it's a little baggy, but I don't know if that's how it's supposed to fit or not. But I love the shirt. I'm just thinking $50 for this shirt. I don't know. The quality is nice, and I do like the styling of it. So we're thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. I really like it. You guys let me know what you think, but I really do like it a lot. And it's leopard print, so it's hard for me to turn that down. Okay, so the stretchy denim feels nice. I love this zipper detail right here. That is phenomenal. I love, love, love that. Got a few strings. I don't know if you can see that, but a few strings are hanging out here. And for $98, I just don't expect to see stuff like that, because to me, $98 is pretty pricey. I don't know if that, I mean, for me, that's a pretty steep price point, and I don't expect to find things like that at that price point. But it fits like a dream. It's very, very nice. It has the silver detail. Let me see if I can zip it up and see how it looks zipped. The stretch makes it fit very nicely, makes it conform very well to my body. I love, like I said, I love the zipper details. It has functioning pockets, which is really good. This is what it looks like. And if this was fall, like, I would be here, I would be all for this, and I still may, because I really do like it and I like the way it fits. But it's just not appropriate for this time of year. But it's really cute. What do you think? I like it. I like the fit. I like the style. I have a black jacket that is similar to this though. Honestly, I do. But I love this zipper detailing. I just am not with that $98 price point, sis. I don't know. And I love, absolutely love these sleeves. That tulip sleeve, I think is so cute. I like the print on this. I think it's very nice and flattering and different, because like I said, it gives you the leopard, but it also gives you some floral print. I love the way this fits. It fits very nicely, very comfortably. I feel a little pulling in my bust a little bit, but it's not tight at all. It just must be the material. But I love it. I love this shirt. This one is probably gonna, I'm probably gonna keep this shirt. I like it a lot. I like the length of it. Here it is in the back. Very nice details on this shirt. Again, this is one you could dress up or down. I'm wearing it right now with the jeans, but I can put some slacks on and a blazer on with this, and it would be perfect for business. So that's one of the things that I look for too, is functionality. I can wear this. It has dual purposes. I can wear this for business. I can definitely wear it to church. Definitely wear it to work. I mean, casually. The possibilities are endless. And again, if I want to make it a little more casual, I could throw on this jacket, this little denim jacket situation, and now it's like, you know, a little funky moto trendy look. Definitely could work as well. So I like this shirt a lot. I'm probably going to keep this shirt. I do like it a lot. Y'all, this may be a piece that you can wear either way. I have this across the back and it didn't feel too right, and I have it across the front and it still doesn't feel that right. So maybe it's a piece that you could wear either way. You guys let me know what you think. Here it is with the crossing in the front. There's the back. And then here it is with the crossing in the back. I do like this. I think that's cute when it's crossed in the back. Excuse my bra straps. So I feel like actually you could wear it either way, honestly. And I do like this, so I may keep this one as well. But I do like the fit of it and the length of it. A comfortable length. Here's that. And again, this jacket, and maybe this is what my stylist for this month was going for, something that I could use, I could wear all together, because I could definitely pair this with all the pieces in this box for sure. I don't really care for it with this tank top, but it does go. So here's this. And then last but not least, let's talk about these jeans, okay? And I like the way they feel. I like the way they fit. They are a perfect fit for me. They have the perfect amount of stretch in them. They feel good. I can't really see them because I didn't look in the mirror, but they feel amazing. So here are the jeans. Again, they are skinny jeans. And this is what they look like. Super nice fit. I love the way that they fit. They are very comfortable. They are form-fitting, which is what I feel like they're supposed to be. And I love that the ankle is not like too big. It's not too big. And I hate it when skinny jeans for plus size women have the ankle too big. So I love that. I love the way these fit. You guys let me know what you think. I may keep these. I may keep these. I don't know. I like the way they fit though. And I do like the wash on them. And again, I like that they are not distressed, so I can wear them to work. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a distressed jean, but I'm finding that a lot of my jeans now that I have are distressed, and I don't have enough that aren't. So I can appreciate that these are not distressed. And again, the fit is perfect. Okay, guys, so that is it for my June Stitch Fix box. And a recap, I'm thinking this is as close to keeping a full box as I've ever come, because I'm torn between what I am going to keep because I like so many things. So I know I'm not keeping the jacket, but I'm debating, and I know I'm keeping this. I'm debating on this shirt and the jeans and the leopard print shirt. So y'all help me out in the comment section and let me know if I get this up in time where I haven't sent it back yet. Y'all let me know and I'll make my decision based on what you guys think. But I do love these jeans. I love this shirt. I love this shirt. I loved everything. I love you guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely keep you guys in my prayers. You keep me in yours. And you guys remember to stay safe and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye.